Hi everyone, welcome back to KK Creations. So few days ago, I ordered 2 items from Daraz which cost me total 900 rupees. So now let's open it. Okay, so first item is Creative Waterproof Eyelashes Glue. All the instructions are written on the back. I will show you how to use it, so don't forget to subscribe. So let's open our second packet. So this is Zoeva 15 brushes set with bag. Let's check inside. These brushes are very soft and smooth. Now watch detailed video of each brushes. You will see me using these items in my upcoming videos. If you want to purchase these items, check the description box. Links are there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and of course subscribe. We'll see you in my next video.